I'm leaving. Be a good girl. Alexa, open Calm My Pet.
Taking care of your pets is hard, especially when their behavior is problematic, or if they suffer from separation anxiety when you're gone during the day. But you don't have to hire a professional when you need backup. Your virtual assistant can help. As an Asurion expert, I help people protect, connect, and enjoy the latest tech. Did you know that Alexa has thousands of skills designed to help you and your pets? They're easy to use. I'll show you some of my favorites. Everyone enjoys a good story, and dogs are no different. Cesar Millan, the well-known dog behavior expert, partnered with Audible to curate a collection of audiobooks just for dogs, and they're designed to help your pup settle down. Just say, Alexa, play Cesar Millan's Guide to Audiobooks for Dogs on Audible. You can add Cesar's audiobook recommendations to your account at audible.com/dogs. If you don't have an Audible account, start by setting one up using the Alexa app on your phone. Here's a tip. Choose a book that's narrated by someone who sounds like you. Dogs respond to voices that are the same tone as their owners. Music is a powerful tool when it comes to soothing your nerves, and it has the same effect on dogs and cats. To get started, enable the Calm My Pet skill on your device. Then, you'll be ready to play calming music, designed to de-stress your furry companions, which can be especially useful when you're away. Just say, Alexa, open Calm My Pet. Does your dog's problematic behavior embarrass you at parties, in public, and just about everywhere else? You need a personal dog trainer. And with Alexa, you've got one right at your fingertips, and his services are free. Just enable the Al the Dog Trainer skill on your device. Then say, Alexa, open Al's dog training tips. Ask a question, and get a response from expert trainer Al Longoria himself. Taking care of pets isn't always easy, so the next time you need a little help, turn to Alexa and find a skill that'll make life better for you and your furry friends. Did you learn something new? Click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.